Yes, hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, last time I think I hinted on game tutorials in my vlog. Well, that is yet to happen because I'm actually thinking what game I'm going to have a tutorial first. So, maybe when I am able to decide on that, I will post a tutorial video. Now, I've also decided the tutorial videos will not be vlogs. They will be a different category of videos in my channel, okay? So, what am I going to do today? Well, part of it, I've also decided this morning that I am going to do unboxing videos, like I've already hinted in my vampire vlog a few days ago. However, the 25th anniversary Stanislava deck that I showed you last time will not be the one being unboxed. And I've also kind of decided if unboxing videos will be a separate category, and I've decided they will be part of the vlogs. Of course, that may change later, but for now, since unboxing videos are not exactly long, and it's also like just a review as well, at least that's what I'm going to do, then I might as well put it in a vlog format. So today we are going to do an unboxing video of a game I so love and my friends love it too. So let's get started. One of the games that I love so much is a game called Munchkin. Okay? Designed by Jackson and illustrated by John Kovalik. It's a very popular game in the world. In fact, there have already been many variations of this game. So it's basically like an RPG dungeon delving game where you get to kill the monster, steal the treasure, and well, stab your buddies. It's that kind of game where you're actually racing to a particular level to win. And you can do that by defeating monsters, selling treasures, getting items that help you level up. And in order to do so, at the beginning of the game, your friends, the people in the table, can help you defeat the monster. But when you're already nearing that point in the game where you will reach the level that you need to win, well, these same friends could actually begin to stab your back. So we're going to do an unboxing video of one of the variations of Munchkin. I'm not doing an unboxing of this because it has already been unboxed many times. Instead, I am going to do an unboxing video of a variation of Munchkin that is very close to my heart as well, which is Marvel Munchkin. There we go. So, join me at the table and let's see what are the contents of this game. Okay, so this Munchkin Marvel is developed by USAopoly based on Steve Jackson's Munchkin. So it's still sealed. There we go. Okay. And those are the components. So basically it's the same game. You kick the door open, you fight the monster, only this time these are the villains. Together with your level and other bonuses, you grab whatever treasure you get from that monster, and then you reach level 10 to win. However, this time you have the character marker that will help you. Now, according to the content, it has 168 cards, 6 roll cards, 6 plastic trackers, 1 die, and the instructions. So, like the normal Munchkin games, it is 3 to 6 players, 1 to 2 hours to play. yeah, right. No, I'm just saying, if you know this game pretty well, you could either play this for less than an hour, or you could play it for more than 2 hours. Maybe that's just an average. And age is 10 to up. Yep, because we're already some of us are playing it at a good age. Okay, so let me open it. So first, when we open, we use cutter or a knife. Just be careful with this, especially if you're kids. Okay, now let's look for that spot.
Okay, maybe that's a good spot. Let me just slice that open and there you go. There you go. Perfect. Okay, and then once that's done, let me get this thing Alright, this is for your, I think your toast, but I'm going to use it here to just slice that off. This is taking longer than it should. Maybe if I could edit this, I'll have it fast forwarded, or maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how to edit videos. I just use Power Director. Oopsie, I think I'm damaging the entire thing. Let me just cut through it, like, okay, there we go, Alright, it's been opened, the seal has, oh god, the seal, oh, there we go. I think that's nice already. Maybe we could also try this part. There, that's perfect. We're not cutting this part because it's supposed to open like that. And then, oh, you saw the price. Okay, well, yeah, I've told you before that games like this could be pricey, so if you're thinking about it, you might want to think about the price. Okay,
So I'm going to remove the lid of this box. This plastic, you could put it here. Sorry for the shaky cam. And there you go. Okay, so we have your instruction manual here. Lord, that's Ultron. Amazing. That, I'm not sure who that hero is. Pretty sure that's not Batman. Looks like Forkman to me. But if you know who this is, please put it in the comment section below. Alright. Oh look, that's Spider-Man. Too bad about this Disney Marvel conflict. Okay, hey look, it's Iron Man. There's the Green Goblin. Okay. There. Oh, the Hulk, yeah, amazing. And there's Mysterio over there. The Daredevil. I think that's, I forgot the name of that aqua thing. But maybe that's Johnny something Fire from the Fantastic Four. Yep. Alright, so basically that's it. Some of the terms here in Munchkin Marvel are different from the regular Munchkin, but I think they function the same. And here's your character cards. Look at that. Now, in this case, your character cards actually have special abilities that help you during the game. For example, this one, you get +2 to fight a monster you found by kicking open a door. Okay? And it comes with a female and male character, but it's the same. The special ability is the same. Okay? So, because in Munchkin, sometimes there are cards that will have an effect, a different effect, based on the character gender. So, sometimes there are weapons that give more bonus to male or give more bonus to female. And then there are some game effects that harm male characters or female characters. And some game effects actually changes your character gender. So here's the level marker, I think. What do you use? There we go. So these are plastic markers. So these are what you use in order to mark your level. So say you're level 1, you defeat a monster, it gives you 1 level. Boom! That is your power there right away. In this game, remember, your power to defeat a monster is determined by your level plus your other bonuses. Now, there are one-time bonuses that you can add to yourself just during that combat. And there are permanent bonuses for as long as you have them and for as long as you legitimately equip them. Okay? And sometimes you have special abilities like that. And of course, here is the door card. So your monsters are here. Let me open that for you. Not only monsters, your class, your race. In this game, I think they are called affiliations. And here, affiliations is, I think, your class or your race in the normal Munchkin. And wandering monsters, cheat cards. Power rank is, I'm not sure what these are in the normal Munchkin. I think they're just a unique component of the Marvel Munchkin. Trap is actually like the curse in the old Munchkin. And these are the monsters. Right. Where are the superheroes? Okay. So there you go. Okay. Or I think maybe these are the classes. Warrior, whatever. Okay? So, there you go. So, these are the door card. When at the beginning of your turn, you kick them open and bam! You're fighting the Winter Soldier. Level 10, that's his power. So, you have to match that with this and your bonuses. If you can't match that, you either run away or you get help from your friends. You negotiate the table. It's up to you how you're going to do it. Okay? And then when you defeat your monsters, you have treasure cards. Okay? No, these actually still have monsters in it. Oh yeah, because that's the bottom card over there. Okay, let me just mix that up. Okay. There you go. Ooh, look, Baron Zemo. The Red Skull, Ultron. And looky, yeah. There we go. And these are the items. These will give you bonuses. Helps you steal a level, go up a level. You can use that anytime you want. But depending on the description. There should be descriptions. Okay? Bonuses. This helps you, this tells you where it is. Headgear. But you should know that because you don't wear your helmet in your legs. Okay? Nick Fury's eye patch. I'm not sure where you're wearing that. Ally. It's also like a hireling or hireling in your old. Oh, look at that! Look at that thing of beauty! Oh my God, I'm crying. They're all. This is dead, and this is old, and this is part of the Guardians of the Galaxy in the films. Okay. Oh, I might be shuffling this already. There we go. You know, this is actually a beautiful game. It's a very relatable game, especially recently. One shot, so you could use that only once during your games. Okay. And finally, of course, you have the... Ooh, look at that. There, the dice. So this is one. Look at how it's squeezed. The shield. There we go. Alright, 3. Okay. Now, there are expansions that will help you have dungeons, or in this case, portals. And there are expansions that actually has Thanos in it. My friends and I, we have a Marvel Munchkin that has Thanos in it. So that's pretty much Marvel Munchkin. So that is my unboxing video of Marvel Munchkin. Again, developed by USA Opoly from the game Munchkin of Steve Jackson. And I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If there are questions you have about this game, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you like this game, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also consider sharing this video. And until next time, thank you for watching my vlog.